I,
Sri Hagrama Mohilari, do swear in the name of God, affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as the Chief Executive Member of Bodoland Territorial Council, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
I,
Sri Hagramama Mohilari, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any persons or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as the Chief Executive Member of Bodoland Territorial Council, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as the Chief Executive Member. Thank you.
I now call upon Honorable Sri Rihan Deimari, Deputy Chief Executive Member Designate, to take oath of office and secrecy as Deputy Chief Executive Member of Bodoland Territorial Council.
Ang,
Rihon Deimari, Obongo Saini Muau, Somaikira Lanane Bungo, Ang Songbijitke, Seyete Pataigan, Are Gonaigan, Are Bodoland, Hayungari, Gotumni Lengai Kahaya Maupung Sedrema Mohore, Angni Maunaganang, Haba Parike, Gosehanane, Are Songbijitni Raha Baidie, Subungno, Seyte Banjainai, Hene Takai, Onnai, मोजां मोननाय आरो गाज्रि गोसो लायालासेनो गिनाय गैयाजासे आंनि हाबाखौ मावलांगोन।
Ang,
रिहन दैमारि अबं गसाइनि मुङाव समायखिरा लायोदि आङो थोंजोङै आरो खेंस्लायै जायखिजाया सुबुं एबा सुबुंफोरा आंनो लेङाइ गाहाय मावफुं सोद्रोमा हिसाबै दैथायहरनाय एबा मिथिहोनाय बाथ्राखौ मावफुं सोद्रोमा महरै मावनायाव फोरमायनो गोनां बाथ्रानि अनगायै गुबुन सुबुं एबा सुबुंफोरनो बेखेवनाय एबा मिथिहोनाय नङा।
जोबोद जोबोद साबायखर थाबाय जोंनि दिनैनि गाहाय खामानिया जाफुंबाय दानिया ग्रुप डान्स आरो बेखौ मोसानानै दिन्थिफुंगोन हृदय बसुमतारी बिथांनि लोगोफोरा बावैसो सान सिगाङाव रुंसारि जालांनाय आसामनि मुंदांखा रोजाबगिरि जुबिन गार्ग बिथांनि मुङै बिथांमोना मोनसे बिबाव होदों आरो बे मोसानायखौ दिन्थिफुंगोन हृदय बसुमतारी आरो बिथांनि लोगोफोरा दानिया हानजा मोसानाय आरो बे हानजा मोसानायखौ दैदेननो थाखाय हृदय बसुमतारी नोंथांखौ खावलायनाय जाबाय।